How to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. Now first of all open up Instagram on your device. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now the first requirement to create a broadcast channel is to get 10,000 followers on Instagram. Now once you get the number of followers, simply tap on three lines at the top right corner. Then scroll down. Now tap on account type and tools. Now tap on switch to professional account. Then tap on next. Now choose any category and tap on switch to professional account. Now wait for some time. Then tap on next. Now tap on not now. Now once you're done, simply tap on the cross icon at the top left corner. Now simply go to the home screen. Now tap on message icon at the top right corner. Now tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner. Now on this page you can find broadcast channel option. Simply tap on it to create a broadcast channel. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.